Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm ShesPrettyRedd. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. So you guys, in today's video, it is brought to you guys by Dyhair777. You guys, they sent over their new elastic dome cap deep wave curly wig for me to try out for you guys. And like I said, this is new, so this is my first time ever trying a wig that is dome cap. So this is their Glueless Brazilian HD 5x5 closure wig, you guys. It is 22 inches long and my cap size is medium. So right now I'm just showing you guys the things that came along with the unit. So you do get a note card that tells you all about the company as well as how to care for your unit. And taking it out the bag, you guys, it did not have a smell. The texture, it was really soft, and I did not get any shedding as well. So with this being a dome cap wig, you do not get any type of combs inside of the wig, but you do get an elastic band to help secure your wig, and you can adjust it to your preference of how tight you would like it as well. So jumping right into the styling of today's wig, I am going to be doing a middle part, and then I'll be going in with my wax stick as well as my hot comb to flatten out the top, you guys, and make it a little bit more defined. And then I did end up doing a little bit of baby hairs, nothing dramatic, just a little bit. But for the rest of today's video, I will just go ahead and let you guys enjoy me styling this wig, and then I'll be back at the end with my final thoughts. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go in with my razor and just frame my face, because I just feel like this part is just long for no reason, so I'm gonna cut it, frame the face a little bit. Some argan oil, leave-in conditioner. conditioner.
I pull up roto window now. 42 millimeter, was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I saw you touching my hands, he wouldn't believe the sins. I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love. I'm in love with two girls on my team and they 10s. That's why I got 10s on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should have been. I need you some Jesus. Should have been. I said fuck, but I know me a bitch. You on my daily, this shit, I was secret. You trying to bitch me, blow up my peep it. I can't respond with just do what you pick with. If I got some rats on the bed, you can keep it. This shit getting deep, baby. You better dig it. My shot won't be out. I won't hit the fence. My shark in the water, you swim with the Luffy. I hit the day by tomorrow, she miss it. I grab my dish, she look up, then I kiss it. I'm not a girl, but I fit the description. I like the post, so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bands, and I guess she just done it on jail. That bro ain't missing. I'm dropping hit after hit, I'm been chilling. But I send the hill, I tell my children. We get the business, the business, the hustle. I fall around and find me a friend. I call up, they off of my heart, they making me hard. I don't even burn, I start from the bottom. I lost from around, lost nigga, no water. I won't go to fall when they went harder. I'm cracking my shit, I ain't seen it on slaughter. I gotta get money, I go to get harder. I gave it 4 burgers and 1 small dinner. I can't let them down off around with my daughter. I'm screaming, I know the hell that's still a model. I know I be on some shit that ain't part of the sins. I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine.
Alright, you guys, so this is the finishing look of today's hairstyle. You guys, I did not have to do much to this hair. It came together so well. I'm going to leave all of the company's information in my description box below, so that way you guys can be sure to check them out and get you a glueless wig.
You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna.
Dyhair777, thanks so much for working with me in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.